Did you know that your car key has a hidden mechanical key inside? Yep, that's right. Most modern car keys have a little secret that you may have never noticed before. Take a close look at your key. Do you see that small notch right here? Well, if you take that cover off, there's actually a physical key hiding underneath. Now, this may not be super useful if you're in an emergency situation and need to get into your car quickly, but it can come in handy if you ever lose your keyless entry remote or if you accidentally lock your key fob in the trunk. So next time you're fumbling around for your keys, be sure to check out this cool trick. Next up is the remote window roll down. This is a feature that allows you to lower your car windows using your key fob, even when the engine isn't running. To enable this, simply locate the unlock button on your key fob and hold it down for a few seconds until you hear a click. Once activated, you can roll down any of your car's windows by holding the unlock button down for about 2 seconds. This is a great feature to have during hot summer days or if you want to quickly air out your car. Just keep in mind that this feature may not work on all cars, but it's definitely worth checking out. So go ahead and try it for yourself and let us know how it works for you. Now, if you're looking to add a bit of extra security to your vehicle, this next hidden feature might be just what you need. Did you know that your car has a secret trunk release delay? Yeah, you heard that right. Most vehicles have a slight delay built into the trunk release mechanism, which can help prevent car hijackers from accessing the trunk while you're still inside the car. This delay typically lasts for a few seconds, giving you enough time to drive away if necessary. All you have to do is press the trunk release button on your key fob and then get going. If anyone tries to open the trunk while you're driving, they'll only be able to access it once you've stopped the vehicle. This is a really simple yet effective security measure that can help keep you and your belongings safe. So make sure to keep it in mind the next time you're out and about. All right, we all know that feeling when you're trying to open your car door, but it just won't budge. But what if I told you there was a panic button hack that could help you get in your car faster? Yeah, you heard me right. Instead of fumbling around with your key card trying to find the right spot to insert it, you can use the panic button on your key fob. Just hit the button and then start working on the door handle. It's like magic. The panic button hack has saved the day once again. This trick is so simple yet incredibly effective. And the best part is that it's completely free. So give it a try next time you're having trouble opening your car door. You may just be surprised at how well it works. Okay, now check out this awesome feature. Did you know that your car has a secret fuel door unlock? Yep, that's right. In case your fuel door gets stuck or you accidentally lock your key fob inside your car, there's a manual release located right inside the fuel door. You don't need to panic because there's an easy solution. Just take a closer look and you will see a small hole near the top of the fuel door handle. Insert a paper clip or any small object into the hole and twist it in a clockwise direction. That's it. This will open up your fuel door and allow you to refuel your car. Hey, did you know that you can fold in your side mirrors using a cool trick? Here's how it works. When your car is off, you can fold in the side mirror by hand. But if you want to do it while the car is on, here's what you do. First, put your car in park and turn on the ignition. Then you want to take the turn signal lever and push it down and pull it towards you. That's going to activate the turn signal, and then you can just move the side mirror into its folded position. Boom, done. Now, if you're wondering why you'd want to do this, it's pretty simple. When your side mirrors are folded in, it makes it easier to see when you're changing lanes or parking. Plus, it also prevents other drivers from accidentally hitting your mirrors and causing damage. So try it out next time you're driving. Here's a game changer for all you meringue auto world fans out there. Did you know that you can use your key fob to start your car remotely? That's right. You can start your car from a distance using your key fob, and it's super easy to do. Just press and hold the remote start button on your key fob for a few seconds, and voila, your car will start right up. This feature is super helpful in cold weather when you want to warm up your car before getting in, or if you're coming back to a hot car on a sunny day and want to cool it down before you hop in. No more waiting around for your car to warm up or cool down. You can start it right from your phone. Now, just make sure that your car is in park and the parking brake is engaged before pressing the remote start button. And always remember to keep your key fob within range, just in case you need to stop the engine quickly. Here's a battery-saving tip for you. Did you know that your car has a hidden battery saver mode? Yes, that's right. Most modern cars are equipped with a battery saver mode that automatically cuts off any non-essential functions when the battery level drops below 8%. This helps preserve your car battery and prevent it from dying completely. You don't even need to do anything to activate it. The car will automatically switch to battery saver mode when it detects a low battery. Just keep an eye on your battery indicator light, and when it starts flashing, you know it's time to head to the nearest gas station to recharge. Here's another cool trick. Did you know that your car windows have a special vent mode? It's true. This mode lets you direct airflow in a specific direction by adjusting the angle of the window glass. To activate vent mode, simply roll down your window slightly and tilt the glass towards the front or rear of the vehicle depending on your desired airflow direction. It's a great way to get some fresh air without having to fully roll down your windows, keeping you safe and protected while driving. Okay, here's another one for the books. Did you know that you can unlock specific doors on your car using your key fob? It's true. Most car key fobs have a button that allows you to unlock the front and back doors separately. All you have to do is double press the unlock button and your car will unlock just the front door. Press it again and the back door will unlock. This feature is super handy if you want to let someone in the back seat without giving them access to the rest of the car. Plus, it's a great way to save some battery life on your key fob since you don't have to unlock the whole car every time. Alright, here's a cool trick for all you tech-savvy drivers out there. Did you know that you can put your car in valet mode using the key fob? It's true. Valet mode limits the functionality of your car's infotainment system, disabling features like Bluetooth streaming and USB playback. All you have to do is put your key in the ignition, and then press and hold the settings button on your steering wheel until you see the valet mode option on your screen. Once you're in valet mode, you can enjoy your drive without worrying about any unwanted changes to your settings. And when you're done, just follow the same steps to exit valet mode and restore your car's full functionality. Okay, let's talk about something that can literally save you miles. Did you know that you can boost the range of your key fob using a simple trick? It's true. All you need is a spare tire and a Phillips screwdriver to extend the range of your key fob signal. Just unscrew the metal cover on your spare tire and remove it. Next, take out the antenna assembly and unscrew it from the bracket. Then reattach the antenna to the bracket using the included rubber gasket. Finally, replace the cover and screw it back on. And that's it. By doing this, you've extended the range of your key fob and made it easier to unlock your car from a distance. Let's say you're driving home late at night and suddenly your car alarm goes off. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Did you know that you can easily disable your car alarm using a secret trick? It's true. All you need to do is grab your key fob and press the lock button twice. That's it. Your car's alarm will go off and you'll be able to disable it quickly and quietly. No need to panic or fumble around trying to figure out how to turn it off. Just remember to practice this trick a few times so you're familiar with the motion in case it ever happens to you. Okay, now this one's for the customization lovers out there. Did you know that you can customize the settings on your key fob using a secret trick? It's true. All you need to do is hold the key fob near the car and press the buttons until the LED light flashes. Then release the key fob and the LED light will start blinking rapidly. Once it stops blinking, you'll see a menu on your car's display screen where you can adjust various settings like door lock speed and window auto up and down speed. It's a great way to personalize your car and make it more convenient for you and your passengers. Now, if you're ever stuck in a situation where you need to break a window in an emergency, here's a tip that could save your life. Did you know that your car key has a small but powerful emergency window break key inside? It's true. This key is designed to puncture the window and allow you to escape quickly in case of an emergency. To find it, take your key fob and flip it over. Then pull off the rubber cap located on the back of the key fob. Underneath, you'll find a sharp metal tip that can be used to break through glass. Keep in mind that this tip is only meant to be used in emergencies, so don't go poking holes in your windows for fun. And that's it. 10 hidden car key features that you'll regret not knowing. From secret trunk release delays to customizable key FOB settings, these tricks are sure to come in handy. So don't wait. Start exploring these features today and make the most out of your car key. Thanks for watching and happy driving.